Alright guys, welcome back. Finally got this bad boy. I've been wanting this guy for a long time now. So let's go see what's this thing all about. Woo. Dang. Look at this beauty. Here it is guys, the Promoto. Dude, look at this thing, dude. This thing is huge. Dude, it has an actual chain. I ride dirt bikes. I had a few dirt bikes. Most of the dirt bikes I had were actually Yamahas, so I had to get the color blue. This thing is cool. So it has 3 modes, so we'll start in mode 1 first. Dude, I thought I would hold down the wheelie. So we're now in mode 3. Okay, so mode 3 is the one that you can hold the wheelie. Way different than anything I've driven. You do got to get used to the churning thing a little bit, but dude, so far this thing's pretty awesome. Trying to mess around with the different modes, so we'll try mode 1 right now to hit this jump right here. Yeah, the one thing about it is like tight spaces, it's hard to turn around.
Yeah, because you're turning, by the time it turns the other way, it leans over, it's already like too late sometimes.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard. You gotta get the hang of it.
Let's see if we could find some other cool jumps. Woo!
Hey, that's what you did.
Woo! Dude, that thing just bounces. Dude, yeah, look at this jump. It goes really far. You could get some massive speed on this thing, dude. Sunday! Ooh! Whoa, that was cool. I think we got our first break, and the wheel kind of funny. Oh, okay, right here. Look at that. Okay. Well, if you guys know, if you guys broken this part before, and if you guys know any good parts to replace this, comment down below. I don't know if this is a common break here, but yeah. Yeah, I was kind of wondering. I'm like, it looked kind of funny. It looked like this thing was like way too far out. Overall, guys, super fun. It's different than the cars. And it's fun. I like the fact that this thing wheelies. Just doing wheelies is fun on this thing. Thanks guys for watching. Also guys, go check out the merch store. You guys could get some shirts like this. I got some hats, stickers. So go check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe up below. I'll see you guys next time.